Hey guys, how are you all today? Hope you all are doing fine. Okay, today I have come up with a new tutorial. In this tutorial, you are gonna learn how to create multiple channels under one Gmail ID. By this method, you will be able to create up to 50 channels under one Gmail ID. So let's get started. At first, you have to open a browser. I have opened Mozilla Firefox. Then you have to um, log in your Gmail ID. I have already signed in. So now you have to click on settings. Click on here and then you have to click here. See all my channels or create a new channel. If you want to create a new channel, you must click here. Guys, you see that two channels are available here. I have created two channels. And if you want to create a new one, then you have to click here. Create a new channel. You have to write a name here, your channel name. So I'm writing Bengali video. My channel name will be it, and then you have to click on create button. So guys, my channel have been created and I can customize here. If you want to customize your channel, and then you have to click here customize channel. So guys, after creating the new channel, when you will need to switch to another channel, then you have to click here and then switch account, and you will see the list of your created channel. The total of my channel is 3. You can switch to any channel. So guys, this is how you can create multiple channel and you can run multiple channel, and you will be able to subscribe many channels differently respectively by this method, and you will be able to increase your subscribers by this method. Inshallah, I will come up with a new tutorial in the future. Till then, tata.